Hi everybody, this is the website boy from the websiteboy.com, and today on this video we are going to be talking about variable scope. There are two kinds of variables that we can have in our functions or code. First, there is a global variable. That means that you can use it anywhere in your code, and then there is a local variable, meaning that you can only use it within a function. So let's go ahead and let me just show you exactly how that works. First, let's define a global variable, and you don't have to write any special keyword like in other programming languages to declare this variable global. All you have to do is just the word var and put this variable anywhere. Let's just call it variable. It could be anywhere, but it has to be outside of anything else. So this variable would be, let's just assign it a value at the same time. This would be a global variable, and I'm just gonna put this outside here so that way you can, when we call it, you can see that it is outside. Let's make a small function and call this example. And now in here, I can go ahead and use this variable and rename it, right? And then I can go ahead and alert this out when I call this function. So if I go ahead and call this function example, is inside. So what I did was I was able to grab this variable, which is a global variable, inside the function and change it inside the function. So I grabbed the variable, I use the same variable name here. I don't have to define it anymore since it's already defined outside the function. And I changed the value of it and I displayed it by calling the function. So this is a global variable. Now let me show you what a local variable is. Variable, let's just name it the same. And then we're just going to give it the same parameter, the same value. And I'm just going to take this off. Right? And I'm going to show you how this works. Now, if I go ahead and call this variable here, uh, alert this variable out and refresh, it's going to tell me that it's not going to tell me anything. It's not doing anything. Make sure that I have the right. Let me see what mistakes did I make. This is why one of the things that JavaScript lacks is errors unless you use inspect element, especially when you're tired and I'm so tired. I want to go to sleep. Let me see console, and it's telling me unexpected string and is on right here variable inside. Oh, of course, right here. We forgot the equal sign there. Let's refresh, and now we can see that it's displaying the variable outside. All right, so it's displaying that variable outside. Let's do something now. Let's go ahead and try. Let's call the function. All right, hold on, let me see that. All right, so let's call the function here example, and we call the function and we alert the variable, we alert it, then the function is going to say inside. So as you can see here, these variables are different now. Even though they have the same name, one variable has a value of outside and the other variable has a value of inside. So if you declare the variable outside, you can use it within your functions and rename it and change the value of it while you are in the function. All right, but this variable right here, you cannot use it outside. It doesn't work outside. So if I alert something out, all right, if I go ahead and alert that variable out like this, I'll show you right now in a minute, refresh, nothing happens because it's not available. It's local. Now this variable here is local. It's declared with the keyword var inside the function. So it's only gonna work inside the function, not outside. All right. And even though if I call the function, of course it's gonna work because it's inside the function. All right. So I showed you what a global variable is and what a local variable is. Now we are done with this. That way you can continue with other tutorials. Anyways, if you were able to learn something new from this tutorial and liked it, please favorite. That's how you thank me for the tutorials. Please like it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.